In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the move command. The move command is a core tool for repositioning objects precisely in your drawing without changing their size or orientation. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to select exactly what you want, anchor it from a meaningful reference, and place it confidently in its new location. Start by selecting the Move tool. On the ribbon, go to the Home tab, find the Modify section, and choose Move. You can also click the Move button in the Modify panel if it's visible in your workspace. Activating the tool first helps you focus on what needs to be moved and avoids unintentional edits. Now select the objects you want to move. Click directly on each object to add it to your selection. You'll see highlights confirming what's included. If you pick something by mistake, you can deselect it before confirming your choice. Take your time here. It's easier to adjust the selection now than to fix it later. When you're finished selecting, press Enter to confirm. You're telling the software, these are the items I'm moving. Next, specify a base point. This is the reference point that the software uses to measure and carry your selection from one place to another. Click a point on the object that makes sense for alignment, like a corner, a midpoint, or a center. Choosing a meaningful base point is the key to accuracy. If you need precision, snap to a well-defined point so you know the move will land exactly where you expect. With your base point set, specify the second point, your destination. Move your cursor to where you want the selection to end up and click. You can place it by eye for quick adjustments, or you can align it to another object by snapping to a target point. Notice the dynamic preview as you move the cursor. It shows where your objects will land before you commit. After you click the destination, the move is finished. Take a moment to inspect the result. If it's not quite right, you can undo and try again with a different base point or destination for better alignment. As a tip, you can zoom or pan while selecting or placing to ensure you're snapping to the exact point you intend. Drafting aids like object snaps and alignment guides make precise moves much easier. That's it. Activate Move, select objects, press Enter, pick a solid base point, and click the destination to finish. With a bit of practice, you'll move elements quickly and accurately every time.